15 hobbies that replace scrolling and actually improve your life. 1. Build something online. A YouTube channel, an Instagram page, or a side hustle. Right now, millions of people are earning real money from their phones. If you're only consuming content and never creating, you're falling behind every single day. 2. Train in a combat sport. Boxing, Muay Thai, or anything intense. These sports don't just train your body, they train your mind. You learn how to stay calm under pressure, handle discomfort, and build unbreakable mental strength. 3. Play strategic games. Chess, puzzles, or anything that forces you to think. These games train you to think 2 steps ahead instead of reacting emotionally. You'll start making smarter decisions in real life too. 4. Record yourself on camera. Film yourself talking about your day or explaining something, then watch it back. Yes, it feels awkward and uncomfortable, but that's the point. You can't fix what you don't see. 5. Level up your communication. Work on speaking clearly and confidently. Most people get ignored not because they're boring, but because they can't express their thoughts properly. Improve this one skill and people will start listening to you. 6. Start a running habit. Not for six-packs, but for mental toughness. Running teaches you one powerful lesson. When things get hard, your brain may tell you to stop. Discipline is choosing to keep going anyway. 7. Learn a high-value skill. Stop learning random things. Focus on skills that actually pay, like AI tools, coding, or content creation. Effort without direction is wasted. Choose skills that increase your value. 8. Study the art of persuasion. Learn how exactly influence and sales work. Money, opportunities, and success all come through persuasion. If you can't persuade others, you'll always depend on them for your results. 9. Master negotiation skills. Life doesn't give you what you deserve. It gives you what you negotiate. Whether it's salary, prices, respect, or opportunities, learning to negotiate changes everything. 10. Strength train your body. Lift weights or do bodyweight exercises like calisthenics. As your body gets stronger, your confidence and mindset follow. Real confidence isn't positive thinking. It's built through action and results. 11. Walk without distraction. Go for a walk with no phone, no music, no podcasts. Just you and your thoughts. If silence feels uncomfortable, that's exactly why you need it. This is how you break phone addiction. 12. Write daily. Write your thoughts, ideas, or goals. Writing brings clarity. When you see your messy thoughts on paper, your mind becomes sharper and more organized. 13. Read with purpose. Stop mindless scrolling. Read books that upgrade your thinking. Your mindset shapes your entire life. Feed it good material. 14. Learn video editing. You already watch hours of videos every week. Why not learn to create them? Turn your consumption habit into a valuable creation skill. 15. Honest daily journaling. Every night, write what's actually on your mind. No fake positivity, no pretending, just real thoughts. This clears mental clutter and helps you understand yourself better. You don't need to do all 15. Just pick 2 or 3 that excite you the most and commit to them for the next 30 days. Remember, your life won't change just by watching videos. It changes when you take action.